What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the, what is it, August Boxycharm. There's like lots of reflection on my glasses. I didn't get the anti-reflect and I am like regretting it. So please bear with me. So we're going to unbox the Boxycharm. You open it and it has this thing that tells you the value. Ooh, I'm actually pretty excited with the items that they have included this month. And I got a spoiler because I was watching Laura Lee's channel and she said, oh yeah, my new palette's going to be in next month's Boxycharm. And I was like, I like this surprise though. So I knew that was coming, and then they sent an email saying like, click here for your sneak peek. And I'm like, what? This is a joke. So I click on it and it tells me what I had. So I know 2 items in this box. So yeah, here it is, right there. And I'm just going to take the first thing that I'm super excited about. It is my very first House of Lashes pair of lashes. Wow. And this is one pair. It's called Femme Fatale. Pretty excited. They're just really dramatic. They have a thick band though, so I'm a little worried on how I'm going to do with them because I like the thin band. I have some thick band, but I never wear them because they're too hard to work with. So we'll see how this works. The next thing I see, Bang Beauty. Sorry, there's a glare. It says, I don't know, it doesn't say in the box what it is. Okay, it's got this little, and it says chocolate gel eyeliner, so brown. Oh, I don't have a brown liner yet. That's exciting. Cool. So I have a, in one of our recent Boxycharms, like the past few months, I had a Pretty Vulgar ink liner, the black, but now I have this by Bang Beauty, and it's brown. Exciting. Next, Smashbox Bee Legendary Lipstick. Go ahead and open this. This is Power on Matte, I believe, is what the color. I could be wrong, but it's Power on Matte, I believe. Yep. Yep. This little guy. And, ooh, it's a very nice bright red. Very nice. I don't know if it'll focus. Sorry about the glare. I'm pretty excited for that. I, like, never use these kinds of lipsticks anymore, but I might now that I have this. That's what I first started experimenting with, like, just, like, lipsticks, and now I'm, like, a liquid lip kind of girl, so... this is the Odessa, New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. Sorry. I picked a really bad spot. I'm like right in my window and the sun is like right there. So it's just this little guy. Looks like it's just like a nail treatment. Not tested on animals. Does not contain, ooh, all these different sulfates, phthalates, I don't even know how to say that. Formaldehyde, that's good. It does not contain that. Sorry, you just were not seeing my face. I'm trying to figure out what this does. Restore your nails to their healthiest and most beautiful natural state. Anti-aging nail system cleanses, repairs, and fortifies, primes, and protects the nails and cuticles. Combines targeted natural and organic ingredients and penetration enhancers that help improve circulation and healthy nail growth. Which is great because look at my nails. Can you see? Maybe. I had acrylics on a while ago. Now I think I'm going to start getting just gel polish. But I wanted to grow them out and get them healthy first. So that's exciting. I was just thinking about that. Next, we have the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Pretty excited. There's this little guy. All these bright colors. How do I get this? There we go. Now you see. There we go. Yellow, orange, turquoise, blue, purple, pink. I'm pretty excited. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the look, but we're going to figure it out. I'm pretty excited for that. Because actually, when she released it, I wanted to order one, but I was like, I don't know. It's only $19, but then I found out it was coming in this box, which I paid $21 for, so hey, that works. Next, the last thing, we have Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Golden Eye Masks. Obviously, I can't try those today, but once I do, I'll put it on Snapchat and Instagram so you can see. Innovative gold foil retains maximum hydration. Which, let's be honest, I need it. I'm really broken out. That's sad. Alright, well that's it for this box. Let's see our value. I cannot see anything right now. Okay, I don't even know how I'm looking. So you open it up, it's got Laura Lee picture there. That's excited. That's excited. That's exciting. Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette, $19. House of Lashes, $9 to $12, so I'm not sure how much those were. Smashbox Assorted Lip Products, $21 to $24. Wander Gold Eyed Masks, $13. Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner, $22. Ades Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, $18. So, boom! Now on the back, they have 25% off your next Laura Lee order and 20% off your next Smashbox order, so that's exciting. I, like, never use these coupons because I'm a cheapo, but I might. Who knows? Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip up a quick look with these items, some of them, and obviously not the nail item. Obviously not the under eye masks, which I'll probably show you both at a later date. Maybe the chocolate eyeliner, I'm not sure, but I'm going to whip up a quick look, and I'll be right back. Much for watching. This is the final look. Boom, 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 boom. It's like the end of the day and I'm like super tired, so I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna go to bed. But I did straighten my hair for tomorrow, so I did not use the lipstick just because I wanted to go for this look. I really like the galaxy colors, navy-ish blue and purple and blue, and then I really wanted to use my black lipstick with my glitter on it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned. I have a couple more videos planned, a couple unboxings, and I have something project in the home that I've been filming behind the scenes, so hopefully that'll be finished soon and I can share it with you guys. See you next time.